Welcome to automotive. Today, we journey back in time to explore a true Cold War legend, the Wartburg 353, built in East Germany and known for its unique engineering and quirky character. The 353 remains one of the most iconic vehicles of the Eastern Bloc. Let's start with the design. First introduced in 1966, the Wartburg 353 had a boxy yet functional look that screamed practicality. Its upright windshield, flat panels, and simple curves made it instantly recognizable. The large chrome grille, vertical taillights, and slab-sided profile reflect a utilitarian style that prioritized space and durability over flair. Under the hood, the 353 was powered by a two-stroke, 1.0-liter three-cylinder engine. While that might sound small by today's standards, it produced around 50 horsepower and gave the car a surprisingly peppy performance thanks to its lightweight body. The engine was mounted longitudinally, and power was sent to the front wheels through a 4-speed manual transmission. Now here's where it gets interesting. That two-stroke engine gave the Wartburg a distinctive sound and smell. Often described as smoky and loud, yet endearingly mechanical, it required a pre-mixed fuel oil blend and was known for being simple to repair, which made it a favorite in rural areas and among home mechanics. Let's talk interior. The cabin of the Wartburg 353 was basic but practical. It had wide bench seats, lots of headroom, and a large steering wheel. There weren't many creature comforts, but it did what it needed to: transport people economically and reliably. Luggage space was generous thanks to the tall roofline and foldable rear seats, making it suitable for families and long-distance travel. In terms of driving dynamics, the 353 offered a soft suspension setup that handled potholes and rough roads quite well. Though not fast, it delivered a smooth and stable ride, especially for a car of its era. Braking was done via drum brakes all around, and steering was light but vague, typical of its time. Today, the Wartburg 353 is a cult classic. Collectors admire it not for refinement, but for its historical significance, mechanical simplicity, and nostalgic charm. It's a rolling piece of socialist automotive history, and driving one feels like traveling through time. If you're a vintage car enthusiast or a fan of unique engineering, the Wartburg 353 is a fascinating and rewarding addition to your classic collection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more retro reviews only on automotive. Thank you very much.